guys, my name is Mofu and in this video we're going to make a custom keyboard. Oh yeah, sorry for the quality, I recorded it with my laptop. If you don't want to see the unboxing, I put timestamps on the screen and in the description. Okay, so the first thing we see in the switch box is, you guessed it, switches. Then you got a sticker, a switch puller, and of course, a manual. In the case/PCB box, you get the case of course, a keycap puller on the bottom of the case, manuals, stickers, USB Type-C cable, a middle keycap puller, 2 keycaps, Okay, so as you hear, this keyboard is so great. Like seriously, it's like very responsive, so I can like easily do things. And it's just nice. Like I've never felt something better, like keyboards of course, better than this. This is just like top notch, best quality. It's like very responsive, of course, as I said. So like, it's like very easy to do some things like react fast and stuff. And like that is very good. And like, I need to like have some better reflexes, and I really don't. And this keyboard really is like helping me with that problem. So like if you want like a really good like keyboard and you want to try to build it, this is definitely a good start, like a really good start. Like I would really recommend this to like everybody, like not even just, yeah. But the only downside is the price, of course. It's like not very cheap. And it is worth it though, I would say, but some people just don't have the money for that. Of course, I've been like saving up for this moment for such a long time, and I'm so grateful that I have it right now. Which is like so nice. I'm so happy. Oh shoot. Okay, so one day I sat on my couch with my parents, and I was about to buy the Ducky 1-2 Mini. When I looked at my phone, I silently screamed, "No!" because my brother kinda slept, so I couldn't really scream that loud. It was not stock until the 2nd of March. I looked at my parents and said, "Hey, it's not in stock. I think I'll just build it myself." My parents looked at each other and said, "Okay." I knew I had zero experience with building keyboards, but I did it anyways. I said I wanted the glorious GMMK Compact and the Gateron Clears. I chose the Clears because I wanted the speed silvers on my Ducky 1-2 Mini, and the Gateron Clears acceleration force is very low. Okay, so pretty much this is the best keyboard I've ever touched, but I can't say a number out of 10 without giving reasons. So, the case and PCB I want to give a 10 out of 10 because when I got it out of the box I could really tell it was quality. I'm giving the switches a 9 out of 10 It won't get a 10 because it's loud, but it's okay because my green Razer switches were freaking loud as heck. I'm unfortunately giving the price a 7 out of 10 because it's much more money than the Ducky 1.2 Mini if you want to get some proper keycaps also. This is not a low budget keyboard, but it's okay because I wanted to give money to something good, and I really did that. Well, anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this video because it took a long time to make. But if it don't get that hype that I think it deserves, I'm still happy that you saw until the end, so thank you for that. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, because we're going to make an unboxing soon on a mouse.